This is 5 on AI. Today is Monday, June 12th, 2023, and I'm your host, Kevin Metzger. In today's episode, we'll cover an introduction to OpenAI. I've already covered several weightier topics on this vlog series, but I had a discussion with a friend on Friday and then sat in a webinar at lunch today where people were asking about how to sign up for ChatGPT. I had promised my friend that I put together some instructions so they could get started. And so today I'm presenting your ChatGPT sign up user guide by your AI assistant guy, me. By the way, if you'd like a copy of this guide, just leave me a comment or message me on LinkedIn and I'll send you a copy. All right, this is your ChatGPT user sign up guide, really, and how to get started. You go to openai.com, and when you get there, you click on sign up. On the sign up page, you'll go through basically creating your using your email, or you can use an existing account. If you're a business who's going to use this account between multiple people, which my friend was on Friday, you might want to use some type of admin email and password. I believe there's ways you can administer through businesses stuff, but for small company where they were doing this, it would probably make sense to just use an admin account. Create your email and password and go through your verification. On your verification, you're going to click on your button to verify, and then you're verified. Then they're going to come and ask you a little bit about yourself, basically your name, your organization, and your birth date, and then they'll ask for a phone number where they basically are doing a verification with your phone number. Once you confirm your phone number, you'll get a notification screen, and yours will probably look a little bit different than mine. I got the credits. I used my same phone number for the sign up on the different account. The credits are generally good for about 90 days, and they're for using the API. We'll talk about using the API in another video. Actually, we've already talked about it a little bit in a previous video. So if you click continue on the above screen, you'll end up coming to a screen that basically is your OpenAI screen. So once you've gone through all the general registration and sign up stuff on a recurring basis, if you would go to OpenAI and then click on sign in, this is the screen you'd get. And from this screen, you have the option to go to ChatGPT, DALL-E, or the API. If you were to go to the API, you would have to, you'd have the free credits, but if you wanted to use it long term, you'd actually have to enter a credit card and all of that. DALL-E, if you're unaware, is an image generation AI, and you can go in there and play around with that. I think they give you like 25 prompts. I don't know if it's a day or a month, but they give you a certain number of prompts for free to create the DALL-E, create in DALL-E, and then ChatGPT is where we're going today. So if you clicked on ChatGPT, you would come to basically the next screen where you're seeing ChatGPT, but they're popping up some warning messages, just kind of giving you a little bit of background. Also, just to note, you could go to chat.openai.com and log in directly there going forward. Once you click through the couple of messages, you can get to done, and then you're in ChatGPT. With the account that you just signed up for, it's free. It's 3.5. There's a limit on the number of queries you can do per hour, but you get free access to 3.5. There are some limitations. Sometimes it's not available. Sometimes you want to get, but it doesn't give as quality answers as GPT-4 does. And so you might want to sign up for Plus. And if you do, we're going to go through that process in a minute. But also, if you just want to start querying and using 3.5, you can put a query in, hit your little airplane send button, and you'll get a response, and then you'll start seeing a history, which will be just a short little thing that says, hey, this is your history of your queries of GPT. If you choose to go to sign up, you will click on this upgrade button, and when you do click on the upgrade button, you'll have the option to sign up for GPT Plus for $20 a month. Go ahead and click on upgrade plan. It'll ask for your credit card information and then bring you back. Now, when you come back, your screen will look more like this. It won't have the history here. I've logged into my other account to show you, but it will have the GPT 3.5. It will have the GTP4 with those little stars there. And then you can go ahead and enter your prompt and search on GPT-4 if you click on the GPT-4 one or the GTP 3.5. If you want to add in plugins, which I would recommend, this is where you really start taking advantage of GTP4, you're going to need to go to the little ellipses by your username. And when you click on those, you'll get another pop-up menu where you can click on settings. And from settings, you can go to the beta features. And in beta features, you're going to want to toggle both the buttons to the right. One's the browser, the other is the plugins. And when you toggle those to the right, they will change how this, when you click on ChatGPT 4, you'll be able to say, hey, I want to do it with my browser plugin. And so you can click on that and the little arrow will come up and it'll show you the browser on GPT-4. And then you can, now all you have to do is type your prompt here and click on the button to the right. Live on AI. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, like, subscribe, share, comment. Please note all content is produced by Kevin Metzger in collaboration with AI.